All right, so we're going to make something interactive. Basically, the idea is that you can click on something and then it reacts to it, right? So instead of it just being animated and doing this, I have to click on it and then it's capable of doing it, right? So that's the big thing. A lot of applications are like this. Well, actually, all applications, right? But like video games and software and all those things, they're interactive. They allow the user to interact with the system that you produce. Okay, so this is one of the things that we can do inside of Animate. Now, there's going to be a whole bit to this. You'll see in the future here, but this creates a more interesting experience. Now, the big part of what we're going to be doing, or big part of an interactive project, are events. Okay, so an event is this. It basically listens for something, has an event listener, where such as it might listen for a mouse click. So it will listen, I clicked, and then it goes, you clicked me, right? So it has to listen for an event. So it could be a mouse click, it could be a hover, it could be a period of time. It could be a focus. Focus just means like I scroll up and then like you can see that that this is the center of my view. It could be when another object does something. Okay, so basically it'll listen for something to happen, and then once it happens, it'll have an event handler. That's the actual function that happens when the listener hears the object. So down here, you can see it. This is it here. Okay, so this is the listener. So it says this, that just means the project. It says the button. Okay, then this button has a unique name. So it's just button underscore button. It adds an event listener. The event listener that it's going to add is going to be a click. And then the click is going to run this function, right? So it listens for click and runs this function. And that is attached to an object called button underscore button, okay? Now, that function that's written right here, that is this right here. So if you look, the name here, FL click to go to frame and go to play from frame, that's the name of this function, FL click to play from frame. So basically this matches this. So when you hit click, this is going to run. It's going to this go to and play frame 2. Okay, that's the idea. So the things we're going to be doing next are going to be basically creating listeners and then having a function run when it hears that.